Would you like a luxurious table runner for your table? This table runner is ideal for a wedding centerpiece, for a private dinner, intimate dinner at home with you and another couple. Well, this DIY video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful, glamorous, luxurious, a little garden feel floral table runner for your events. Ejiro of Ejiro Celebrations, a floral and event design company. On this channel, we'll share wedding planning tips, floral and event design inspiration, and DIY party decorations. For this table runner, we're going to be using foam blocks and chicken wire as the basis for our table runner. I've gone ahead to put some dry floral, artificial floral foam blocks, wrapped it up in chicken wire and tied it with zip tie. So that's what we have here. We'll also be using 2 shades of hydrangeas, ivory, cream, and white. Roses. In this case, light pink and medium pink roses. The base structure in place. I'm happy with it. We've had the different colors, shades of white and cream on the floral foam. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the light pink flower. So what do you think? Beautiful, isn't it? We have all 2 shades of roses, 2 shades of hydrangeas, candles round, ready for that intimate celebration, ready for whatever celebration you have. So if you like this video, please share with a friend who would benefit from this, and also subscribe and click the notification button so that you can get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you very much. Bye.